is no one who doesn't like to travel by train, but all those are afraid to travel on the train. These trains pass over all the bridges that are intimidating to occupy from Chennai Rameshwar to Barma Railway. So before you get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Here are 5 most dangerous railway bridges in the world. Number 5. Chennai Rameshwar, India. If you ever go for a trip in India, you will notice that it is very popular to travel by train. There are some trains that travel through very risky bridges. The Chennai Rameshwar train railroad is the most risky one. They actually have some of the longest train journeys in the world. One of them lasts 85 hours and brings you across the country for more than 5,000 kilometers. On the other hand, they also have some of the most dangerous train rides in the world. The rail bridge was built in 1914 and spanned 0.86 miles or 1.4 kilometers in length from the mainland to the island. Those who have travelled by boat and train to get to this island struggle to say. But that only adds to the excitement of the experience and as the gaze of the train that travels between the cities of Chennai and Rameshwar. This train goes above the water on a 2.3 kilometer long bridge, but sometimes the water levels get too high and the railways get flooded. On top of that, strong winds and intense weather conditions threaten what could easily have been a peaceful ride across the ocean. For that reason, this train slowed down to a speed of 4 meters per second, avoiding any possible incident. Number 4. Barma Railway. The Barma Railway, also known as the Death Railway, the Siam Barma Railway, the Thai Barma Railway and similar names, is a 415-kilometer railway between Banpong, Thailand and Thanbuzayat, Burma, built by the Empire of Japan from 1940 to 1944 to supply troops and weapons in the Burma campaign of World War II. Between 1,80,000 and 2,50,000 civilian laborers and over 6,000 Allied prisoners of war were subjected to forced labor during its construction. More than 12,000 Allied prisoners died. Most people who died due to the forced labor were Southeast Asian civilians. It's one of the scariest routes in the history. This train would ride over fragile suspended trash with no protection from the ground underneath. As of today, there is still one section of the original line that operates for tourist purpose only. Number 3. The Devil's Nose. The famous Devil's Nose in Ecuador is a train engineering marvel. The train Ecuador line descends more than 1,600 feet in under 8 miles between the towns of Alauze and Sibambe. The Devil's Nose is a steep but small mountain ridge that spans from southwest to northwest between the Little Cacapon and Potomac rivers in northwestern Hampshire County, West Virginia. This train that takes you on such a ride as the Trans-on-Dn Railroad, as it passes through a mountainous area of Ecuador near the Alice village. These mountains keep the train from having a smooth ride, and for that reason, the Ecuadorian government made a railway track in the shape of a zigzag going up to 500 meters. Number 2. Georgetown Loop Railroad. The Georgetown Loop Railroad is a 3-foot narrow-gauge United States heritage railroad located in the Rocky Mountains in Clear Creek Country, adjacent to Interstate 70 in Colorado. This tourist train runs between the communities of Georgetown and Silver Plum, a distance of 2 miles. This railroad was constructed in the second half of the 19th century in Clear Creek Country during the development of the silver mines. The railroad was seen as the only way to get over the Rocky Mountains. The narrow gauge railroad took the mine workers through some stunning scenery for years. The line was dismantled in 1939 but was restored in the 1980s to operate during summer months as a tourist railroad, carrying passengers using historic 3-foot narrow gauge steam locomotives. Still, once the 7.2 kilometer or 4.47 mile trip is over, you will realize that all that stunning scenery made it well worth it. Number 1. Train to the Clouds in Argentina. The Tren a las Nubes is a tourist train service in Salta province, Argentina. Over 4,220 meters above mean sea level, the fifth highest railway in the world. Originally built for economic and social reasons, it is now primarily of interest to tourists as a heritage railway, though cheaper tickets are also available for locals to use the train as transport. 217 kilometers, this train has existed since 1948. In its name, which in English means trained to the clouds, derives from the fact that it travels to 29 bridges and 21 tunnels. It definitely feels like you are in the clouds the whole time. Not the best train ride for those who are afraid of heights, the train journey really begins in earnest. Thousands of people take this trip annually, and you are so high up that the train has oxygen dispensers if you feel like you can't breathe. While you are on the viaduct, the train slows down, so you can take in the views and the terrifying drop below. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.